Hey friends, I'm out here on the back deck. We're letting the wetsuit and the surf booties dry. And I wanted to take this opportunity to talk about how much I love these Psychotech boots. They're split toe made by O'Neill. Now we are here, in the mountains because we river surf out here in Colorado. And so you need a pair of booties that are both durable, that can stand the bottom of a river and hold up, as well as something that's gonna keep your feet warm, because surfing in a river is obviously a cold weather environment. Few of the features that absolutely make this my favorite bootie I've ever used so far. That is obviously the split toe technology. Having your toe over here gives you a lot more ability to manipulate your foot, push rails, really dig those fins into the water and maneuver, as well as this ankle strap that goes across, really makes the boot feel like it's locked into place. And it just makes the overall fit feel nice and snug. We have a little strap on the back just to help you pull the boot on to your foot as well as off. That's really, really nice. Obviously you have the little Psychotech logo and a really nice high ankle area right here that, again, underneath your wetsuit really helps protect against water getting inside the boot. It's really, really well designed. It's warm. We went with the 3/2 mil option. I am a size 10.5 to 11, depending on the shoe and the style. This one I got in an 11 and it's been absolutely perfect. One last thing is these things actually dry really, really well. I've had other booties where they've sat out here on the deck in the sun. It just takes days and days to dry. These ones usually after an afternoon in the sun are pretty well dried out. So I really, really like that. Definitely an awesome bootie. Highly recommend them.